are now currently 3 in the afternoon and we're just in Newtown. We just finished some lunch, so we're just gonna go for a little walk along the strip and see what the strip is like during the day. So let's go. So we come here quite a lot because the food is just really cheap, but also good, and the drinks are really good price. So you can get like a cocktail for €3.50, which is amazing if you've ever been to sort of Spain, Portugal. Simply Lounge. So yeah, let's have a little walk. So this is Newtown. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and just let us know if you've been here before. So we've got a pizza restaurant. This is on the corner. Across the road you can see there's an ice cream place. Pretty sure we've been to that ice cream place, but I can't actually remember. Vehicles there you can hire, so you can do all your normal hire, like your electric bikes, scooters. So this one here, got like a little convenience shop there. It's got all your bits and bobs if you need to get like a towel or anything, or your sort of deodorants. And then you've got a hotel just across the road. So we have done this most of the time. We sort of do this walk in the evening, but during the day you can still do stuff along the strip. It isn't just sort of late hours. It's 24. So you can get excursions there. So if you want to do a boat trip, quad biking, explore the area. They have loads of those tourist shops around, so you're not bored. If you're not someone who just wants to do walking, you can go off and do activities. So yeah, it's a lot quieter than in the evening. We're a little bit tired because we've been up most evenings till about 4 or 5, so I'm feeling a little bit hanging today. But yeah, weather's really nice. It's about 28, 29. It can be sort of mid to low 30s is probably like the highest you're going to get at this time of year, but it's average around sort of 27, 28, which is perfect. We like this time of year because if you're sort of someone who doesn't like the heat, it's absolutely perfect for evenings and the early mornings so you can sleep. So you've got clothes. There's like little sort of markets, little stalls here, t-shirts, all the sort of gimmicky stuff. All reasonably priced. Again, some nice clothes. So this is Mambo's. This is usually like really busy in the evening. It's not open during the day. Some of these are open during the day and some are just open in the evening. But at night time that one's really busy. So this is like main heart of it now. Whew, God, it's really hot. As we get into this, you can see all of these bars and the street. This is usually like packed or got loads of people in. You've got your promoters, all the music pumping out. But during the day it's a lot calmer, but you can see that the Bamboo is open, so people are drinking there. You can get like cocktails and everything. And like I said, this main road, if you follow it all the way down and up to the other roundabout, you can go down to the beach as well. So you have got like beach this side. So if you're staying in Newtown, you've got everything on your doorstep. You've got the nightlife, you've got your restaurants and bars, and then you've also got a beach. So it's a really nice location to stay in. So what else have we got here? So a lot more food places, a little bit more like the quick food. Let's have a look, let's cross over. So this is Cooper's, best breakfast in town. I'll have to try that out. Let me know in the comments below if you've already been there. So local beer, like I said, is Bock. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it is really cheap. You've got your pool tables. So in here, it's like a load of little food and drinks in one little complex. And then you've got the ALBUFEIRA 66. This place is always busy, day and evening it's open. So if you want to come there for lunch, breakfast, or go out there in the evening, you've got everything. It's on your doorstep again. Got Wild & Co, looks like a bit more of a pub atmosphere. Don't know if I've actually been in that one. But yeah, it looks alright. Looks like you've got everything you need. And then as you can see just on that sign over there, you've got like a club, Kiss, and that is open in the evening. You have a little sort of a convenience store, buy souvenirs, all those little things that everyone likes to get. So here in the day it's still relatively busy, and this is September as well, so you've got to remember we're sort of now technically out of season, but the weather is still absolutely gorgeous and it's early or sort of getting into late afternoon and still got loads of people about. So we've just done a little walk up just to show you, get your bearings. There's the roundabout I was talking about. Just have a look, we've got a restaurant there, Tamariz. Looks like you can get a fish and fresh produce in that one. Has anyone been to Albufeira or been to Albufeira in September? Is there somewhere you would choose to go? So what's on there? Oh yeah, I want to really do this one. So you can get a day pass. They have hotels here, MGM, and one of them has, like, I think, sort of like a better pool system and outside area, and you can sort of buy a day pass and hang out on their pool and just enjoy the facilities they have to offer without actually staying in the hotel, which is quite nice. It's kind of like a beach bar. Perfect. So you got a sushi bar there. They do really, really good sushi here. The food is absolutely beautiful in Albufeira and Portugal. I'll just give you guys the name of that one, which does the €3.50 cocktails. That was the Soul Restaurant and Bar Albufeira, which we started at the beginning of the video. That one is absolutely perfect if you are on a budget, but like I said, it just depends on what you're into. A few years back, the food was a little bit cheaper. Comment below if you've noticed prices going up around Europe. We really have. And also, if you'd like us to do a video on our experiences and just prices and what you can get for your money, we could do a budget or a more of a luxury day. But yeah, so thank you for joining us. That was just a little bit of a taster of what it's like during the day in September in Newtown. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.